Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options in Webull. Open your Webull app and enable options trading and account settings before placing any trades. Choose a stock or ETF and tap the options chain to view available strikes and expirations. Decide between call or put based on your directional view, then select a strike price and expiration that match your strategy. Enter order size, review premium and fees, then submit your order. Now place an order by choosing strike, expiration, and order type in Webull's options interface, and set a limit if you want price control. For a buy order, confirm the premium and total cost displayed including fees and buying power impact. Double-check quantity, since one contract usually covers 100 shares and leverage increases risk. Finally, review estimated fill and tap Submit only when you are comfortable with the position sizing and potential loss. Hey, quick recommendation. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more content like this. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks, so consider darn tough for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long trading sessions or late-night research. I put the link and other deals in the description for easy access, and now let's get back to the video. Manage risk by sizing positions conservatively and treating options as defined risk or speculative depending on your plan. Monitor implied volatility because higher volatility raises premiums and can change trade attractiveness quickly. Consider spreading strategies like vertical spreads to reduce cost and risk compared to naked positions. Keep alerts set for price and Greeks movements and regularly reassess the trade as expiration approaches to decide whether to hold, adjust, or close the position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.